Hey, so you're looking for a new job, or you just want to start networking, and you've been hearing a lot about LinkedIn lately. With over 760 million users already signed up, it's probably time that you grabbed your trunks and dived into this pool of new connections. However, there are many factors worth knowing that can help you create a strong profile with ease. That's why today we'll walk you through the basics of getting started and the best ways to customize and navigate LinkedIn so that it's truly tailored to you. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for weekly content. So LinkedIn can be downloaded for free on mobile or found on the web. Whatever your preference, the most important first steps are to paint an initial picture of yourself. It's important to have a photo that is up to date. Remember, this isn't Instagram or Facebook, so use a photo that is professional, that's up close and approachable. To change or add a profile photo, simply head to your profile, tap the pencil icon at the top, and finally tap the photo icon. Next, click Add Photo, and you will need to allow access to your photos and specific photos in your device settings. Once you've chosen your photo, here you can tap it and then select Choose. The next frame will let you add a filter, adjust the placement of your photo, or even crop as you deem fit. Don't forget to click Save once you're happy. Now, the About section. This is found in the center of your profile and can give you a more in-depth understanding of you and the solutions and abilities you can bring to a company. You can edit this at any time, and you can additionally add links or videos that can bring more value to your profile. This can be done by clicking the pencil icon, scrolling to the bottom, and simply clicking whichever option you'd like to add. But it's a good start to fill the box with text that best suits your capabilities. Next, you'll want to add some experience to your profile to add some validity to your claims. Simply scroll down and click the pencil icon to the right of your profile, and here you can add any previous experience you would like to appear on your profile. You can even add any presentations or photos of you looking boss here too, and don't forget to save once this experience is all filled in. If you'd like to add more, you can simply follow the same steps until you have a sufficient amount of experience added to your profile. Next, it would be a great idea to add your educational history to your profile so people can understand your seniority to your field. This can simply be done by clicking the pencil icon at the top right corner of your profile and scrolling down to plus Add Education. Once clicked, you'll be able to fill in the blanks as you deem fit, adding your school, field of study, and so on. Don't forget to click Save once you're happy. At the top of your profile, you will find your introduction card. This is important because it lets potential employers see what you're all about right away. It's a short insight into your professional status, a virtual first impression, if you will. This can be updated or edited at any time by simply clicking the profile icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Next, tap View Profile and click the pencil icon in your introduction card section. Here you can make changes to many categories, your name and headline, just to name a few. Don't forget, using keywords in your headline is a great way to be discovered through searches. If you work in marketing, for instance, including this keyword can give a hint about your specific expertise. Now is a good time to start searching for connections and customizing your feed to stay up to date in your profession. You can search for specific groups and people through the search bar using various keywords. You can also utilize their filter button at the top, which helps you to narrow down your search. Alternatively, to get recommended pages or people with similar backgrounds, you can click the My Network button and have a scroll. If you stumble upon someone you'd like to connect with, you just simply click Follow. If you're wondering where you can find invitations that have been sent or received, or you're just looking to manage your network, head to the My Network tab and you will find the buttons for this there. Managing your feed is super simple. It can be found under the Home button and is similar to a Facebook feed, but in a more professional setting. As you scroll your feed, you will see various connections, posts, and job recommendations based on whatever you've written in your profile. Here you can interact with connections by commenting, liking, sharing, or even sending posts to other users. Your social activity across LinkedIn will control what appears on your feed. If you're looking to customize your feed, this is possible. Hiding certain posts you don't want to see on your feed by simply clicking the ... more icon on the upper right of a post, followed by I don't want to see this. You then have to select the reason for not wanting to see this post on your feed, like I don't want to see this. And lastly, press submit to put your request forward. So it's common to share posts. After all, we're networking here. This is easily done by using the share box at the top of the LinkedIn homepage. If you want more sharing options, you will have to use the desktop version and simply click the Start a Post box to write your own post. Alternatively, you have the photo, video, event, or write article options too. Before posting, you can decide which audience you'd like to share the post with by clicking the drop-down menu underneath your name and choosing between anyone, group, numbers, and so on. And lastly, don't forget to click post to share whatever you've created. If you're looking to post on mobile, it is very straightforward. You just simply tap the plus icon on the bottom tab and you'll find a similar option to the desktop version. Don't forget that LinkedIn also uses a hashtag system, likewise to Instagram. This means that posts and topics can be discovered through hashtags, and it's a great way to establish credibility and expertise. This is any keyword which starts with a hashtag. For instance, your company is looking for a new employee. Often people will include hashtag hiring now in their posts, and anyone looking for a new job can use the search bar to type hashtag hiring now and scroll through all of the posts that include this tag. Pretty handy. So the visibility of your profile is very important if you're looking for a new job or new experiences. One way to do this is to let recruiters know you're open to work. There will be a pop-up where you can provide relevant information. Next, you can choose who is able to see if you're currently looking for work. If you want that to be public information, you can choose all LinkedIn members. Then on your profile photo, LinkedIn will add some text that says hashtag open to work. Once you've decided your preferred audience, don't forget to click add to profile. So LinkedIn has many uses and it's pretty feature-packed and definitely worth having a profile, seeing as everyone and their grandmas seem to be on there. What's your favorite feature that LinkedIn offers? Let us know down in the comments. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for regular how-to videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.